Good morning, Finovate. It's great to be back. Thank you, Greg. Steve Robert. This is my colleague, Derek Sutton. We are Autobooks. We provide integrated invoicing, payments, and accounting delivered directly through financial institutions. Today, we've got more than 1,000 financial institutions, regional and community, having access to our technology through partnerships with major service providers such as Jack Henry, FIS, Q2, CSI, NCR, and so forth. We've made it very easy to allow these financial institutions to better serve their small business customers through pre-integrated capabilities that we've worked behind the scenes to allow. Third, we also work with large financial institutions, most recently on stage with TD Bank, where we were demonstrating our integrated embedded invoicing and accounting just a couple years ago. But today we're excited to share our latest innovation that we've been working on that we are really excited about, that we think is going to be a game changer for mobile banking, Tap to Pay. So many of you have already used it. It's a convenient way to check out with nothing more than touching a card to a specific device. It's known in the industry as a soft POS experience. And the benefit here is, for the first time ever, a small business can get access to this capability through the existing mobile banking application they already use. And for a financial institution, we can help them easily make this available and essentially turn that mobile banking experience into a point of sale. So Derek, would you mind showing us a couple of examples of how it works?
You bet. So as you see here on the screen, you have the ability to easily accept a payment directly with your mobile device. So I'm just simply going to charge $25 for the transaction. You hold out your phone, the customer easily just comes in, touches their card to the device, the payment's captured, it settles into their account the next business day. So that's easy, right? Just simple. Customer pulls out their card, taps their phone. So let's talk a little bit more about the integration and what it means to be inside of mobile banking. So I'm going to back out. This is our launch partner, NBKC. They actually happen to be in the room. They're the first financial institution in the country to embed Tap to Pay on iPhone directly into their mobile banking app. A community bank beat every mega bank to the market. That's in large part because of our existing integrations with partners like Q2, where we can embed into their SDK and complement our existing features that are already in mobile banking. You heard Steve talk about invoicing. So as a customer of NBKC, I can log into mobile. I can send a digital invoice that can easily be paid online. I can share my own secure payment link to somebody's device so they can pay directly from their device. They can also pay it online through their own secure checkout card, like a checkout cart, or I can do Tap to Pay on iPhone. So once again, Steve's a customer of mine. I just completed a project for him. I'll just show you how simple it is. I'm going to go in, hit Tap to Pay. I'm going to charge Steve for the project. So, hey, Steve, thanks for your business. Love doing work with you. The project was great. It's $100. And how do you want to pay?
Well, I'm very loyal to my card brand for my points and rewards, and I'm going to use my credit card if that's okay. Now, debit and credit cards, more than 80% are already tap-enabled, so it's readily available in people's wallet.
Great. So I just simply hold out the phone, Steve taps his card on my device, and the transaction's secured. You can see it gives a little prompt, so if you need to hold the card horizontally, you just simply do that. Tap the card on there.
There you go.
Come on.
Tilt it up a little bit higher. I think it's got to reverse to me. There we go. Oh.
And card decline.
Well, that's inconvenient.
That's inconvenient. Maybe we should try it a different way.
Why don't I try my phone?
There we go.
I am very embarrassed, but let's go ahead and get you paid. You did a great job.
And simple and easy. So as Steve just illustrated, cash isn't always king with the average consumer. He's either wants the convenience of the card, he's loyal to his points, or he just has his phone on him, maybe went for a run and we met up and he just wanted to easily pay. So now I can accept the payment through a card, tap of an iPhone, tap of an Android device, any digital wallet that's loaded in, or the tap of an Apple Watch even as well. Additional details, I can send him a receipt. So if I just load in his email, I immediately can send out a receipt. I can also go in and view all of my existing transactions. So if I just need to go in, maybe that transaction, maybe I fat fingered the amount. If I need to cancel that payment, I can easily just cancel the payment right here on the fly, right inside mobile banking. As I said earlier, all of those transactions are then settled into their account, into the financial institution the next business day. Obviously benefiting every financial institution in the room with locking in the customer deposit, ensuring they can get paid with you, not a third-party app, and you monetize interchange revenue on every transaction. So those are the nuts and bolts details of the demo. We'd love to show you in person so you can feel the device, the haptic feedback, hear the chime, see the experience for yourself. All payments we collect are going to be donated to charity, so you can come give us $5 and we're going to donate that. So Steve, with the time remaining, if you're a financial institution in the room, so what? You know, like why partner with Autobooks on tap to pay? Why Autobooks?
Yeah, so the technology is amazing, and we've laid a lot of important infrastructure to make that possible, working with the processors, the card brands, the device manufacturers, to have that pixel-perfect experience and the consistency, which helps drive change for habits, for businesses that need to get paid, and most importantly, consumers that want to pay. So that's the first thing. We laid an important foundation. The next is making it easy to discover. Small businesses don't need to download a third-party app. They don't need to go through an underwriting experience. They don't have to learn what a merchant account and mid and TID and lid is. They can simply get access to that capability right within mobile banking. And finally, it's important that we make it easy for community and regional banks to get access to the technology, and that's where our partners have come in. So if you're a financial institution that uses Q2 today, you can literally have this capability turned on live in the marketplace that your customers can begin using in less than 30 days. Other partners like CSI and NCR will be live before the end of the year, and others to follow in 2024. So making it readily available, very easy to deploy, and it's just on and available for your customers as a standard feature within digital and mobile banking.
So what's the benefit of our mobile banking integration that we have?
Yeah, the benefit of being inside of mobile banking is huge. We believe that businesses should get paid where they bank. And the benefit of having that experience already in mobile banking allows them to very easily get access to the technology. Because of the integration that exists, we can use the data, the KYC, we run through the OFAC screens, we do all the boarding and activities behind the scene. All of that is seamless to that small business. So they can very easily, with the touch of a button, get access to the ability. We provision the device, and within a couple seconds, they can start processing payments.
And lastly, why integrate with Autobooks and mobile banking and not maybe procure this through a traditional merchant services relationship?
It's an evolution. There's still a role for merchant services in the field, conversations with retail establishments and traditional point-of-sale systems. This is an on-ramp at the lower end of the market. Small micro businesses transitioning from a file cabinet and check and cash, they can quickly get access, to this digital capability. And again, the benefit, of course, goes to the financial institution by having all those deposits come in to their organization, just like it would work with a check deposit.
Yep, thanks for your time. In keeping with the theme of contactless payments, there's a contactless way to contact us. Simply snap the QR code. We look forward to seeing you in the network hall.
Thank you.